All right, YouTube, check it out. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to replace these taillights with these bad boys, the LED ones. I'm doing this because this taillight keeps not working. Like the running light won't work and then the tail light won't work. And I keep fixing it, as you see in one of my other videos where I pull the little tab up. And that works for a temporary fix, but then it keeps not working again. And I don't want to get a ticket for not having a tail light that's working. That ticket costs more than what these taillights cost. I think I got these for about 150 bucks on eBay. So I'm going to show you how to switch these things out real quick. It's actually pretty simple. First thing you do is open your back hatch. Second thing you do is remove these two screws that are right here, just using a standard Phillips head screwdriver, nothing special. There's one down there on the bottom, one right here on the top. Oh. From there, the taillight assembly just pulls out. You'll see a plug here. You're going to need to pull that tab up, the red tab, press here, and pull out. The connector comes right off. So the next thing you do is you grab your new tail light, you take this plug assembly, and you just plug it in. Easier said than done. So just plug that in. Make sure that this little tab here goes in this little slot. Make sure that this little flap here goes over your body panel there. And then you just put your two screws back in. If you're having trouble lining the screw up like I am, loosen the top one so that you can maneuver the bottom around a little bit. Looks like the bottom one's giving me a little trouble. Oh, I missed a step. Looks like you need to remove the metal clips from the old tail light and put it on the new one. So use a flat bladed screwdriver to remove the old metal clips, transfer them to the new tail light. What you want to do is make sure you have a nice even gap all the way around, and also check to be sure that you've got clearance to close your trunk. Nothing's in the way there. But it looks like we're good, so let's turn everything on and see how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and put this here so you can see the new LED tail light versus the factory tail light.